Alrighty, so I've been trying to put this phone wire through this. Reason why is because of these over here. This phone jack, it's connected to this right here. What I've done, I used to have that light going through the window, but we don't want that anymore. So what I've done, disconnected us from where the phone line used to go, right here. As you tell, I used to have it right already, but I need a more permanent situation, so I gotta feed the wire through this hole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try taping it and moving it through like this. That green thing, dot right there is where I need to place my wire. Because there is enough room for the wire to come through here. Then I just need to take the casing off the wire and fire it up, and that should be good. I just gotta pull more of this out. There's the green. I gotta put my wire, tape it right there, the end, here to there. So I gotta get some tape and tape it up. Let's see if I got this. Okay, I just gotta take this wire and this electrical tape and do it. So let me just push down. So, just gotta take this off. That. Take this end right here to this end. That now should be able to push it through. Okay, I gotta push. Oops, I accidentally had it like that. Okay, so I got it pushed through somewhat. I just need to push it through more. Alrighty, here we go. Then it's gone. Where did it go? Oh, shoot. We gotta retry that now. Don't know where it went. Okay, so this wire did not move at all. Gotta redo it now. Okay, let's see if this stupid thing works. Like that. Make sure it's stable. Put it second one through. Okay. Let's see if this works now. Okay. See if I'm able to pull it through now. Oh, it's stuck in something. This should be big enough to let that through. Unless I gotta tape it on the side. Oh, 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 ho, 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 ho. There we go. Yes, yes. It's through the vial now. That's good, that's good. It's through the hole. Now I just need to move this thing a bit and get it over there now. Whew. Finally. I took ages. I did this yesterday and I was not able to get it through. Yes! Okay, I moved the wire through more. Now all I gotta do is connect it to that over there. Let's see how that goes. I think if I just wire through this. That's a phone line right there. So that, I think that should work. Hoping I have enough wire on the other end. Okay, made it. Now I don't think I got enough room to feed it through this. That's what I'm gonna try to feed it through. There we go. It's fit through now. Okay. Alrighty, that is fabulous. Get some slack onto it. Okay, now I just need wire cutters, cut this off, and connect them. Yeah, the paving over there, I can smell it. Smell them paving. Golly, that is a good smell. Okay, before I connect them, I gotta see if I got enough wire in. In fact, I do have enough wiring to connect it to the modem. Nice. Just gonna, there's that here. This. Okay. Now I gotta grab those tools. Okay, got this. I forgot my electrical tape already. I grabbed my electrical tape. Gonna place that here. And now I just need to take that off, connect them, and I'm good. Okay, don't mind my toes. Okay. I don't know what happened to my other cutters. I had better cutter than this. There we go. There we go. This is gonna be the hard part right here. You know, before I do this, I might as well find my other cutters. Okay, I'm in luck for my other cutters. Now, this is the part that I hate. Too little. Man, that's annoying. one part I hate about cutting these this. Nope. Should have done this beforehand, but I'm too lazy. Well, I did do it beforehand. I just cut this wire right here more so I could easily pull it through the window again. God, that's annoying. Come on, cut. I was able to cut you not long ago. Oh man, I just cut it again. Hate cutting wires. Man, this was a whole lot easier last time. Damn. Yep, there goes that wire. Do this again. Yeah, I don't know what's going on now. I was able to do this. So, come on. Damn, I'm just gonna use you again. Fuck me. Fuck me. Oh my golly. Oh my golly. I did put some shoes on. It is cold out here. Okay. Oh, I had this a lot better last time. Alright, that's good enough. I got it cut off enough for me to use. This is really annoying to cut. Just better wiring to cut. There we go. Okay. Got them off. Now I need to connect them. Somehow. I know there's another way that I can do this, but I only got electrical tape, and this is not really a permanent situation, somewhat. green wire. Now I have to connect the green wire first. So what I did this time was like that. Could take this off, but I don't want to. I already challenged myself enough taking these wiring off. Alrighty, that's on. Now I got to electrical tape it up, like I did before. I'm hoping that's connected good. Then I need to get this part. Probably put another piece of tape on it. Okay, that is on. Yeah, definitely did cut a lot of wiring off of this. On an ideal world, I would have not cut that much wiring off of it. Yeah, I did cut too much wiring off of that. See if I'm able to save it. Ouch, I just touched the ground and ground wire. Like that. Go. Oh, yeah, I should have definitely had that for that. That's annoying. This is one part I hate about doing this. And I don't have so much wiring. Okay. Take a little bit more off of this. Okay. Yeah. Very cool. green off. No, I just need the red off. Never mind, the red is... Turn that around. There we go. That's what I want. Okay. Let's connect them up. Start the green wire first. There we go. That, like that. Okay, now I gotta apply the electrical tape. Should have got more to that. That's what I need to get now. There we go. Next one is the red wire. It's going. It's a lot better than the other one. For sure. That's for sure. Okay. Go. Hope this is all wired up. I'll make sure that these fuck even touching the grounding. Okay, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna look at that one before I close this thing. Let's see if it works. Right, plug her in. Good. Definitely not gonna suck at it. Right, now I just need to use the phone I use on a daily basis. Haha, yeah. We got phone. Don't know if you can hear it, but we got phone. Okay, now I just need to check on this one. We got phone. Yes. Now I just need to finish that up down there. This is also something I'm gonna have to deal with. But this is first. I just gotta wire all that up. To put some electrical tape over it. And then close this. Nice. I don't know if I should have done that, but okay. And just in case I can sneak this in like that. See what? Long fingernails for the win. That's why I have long fingernails, so I can tighten flathead screwdrivers. Now, I regret not moving it through that. I'll probably go outside another day and do this right here. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I wish I could put that through. Okay, let's check if it's still working. If I forget,